Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to grade 8 Hindi online class. How are you all? I hope you are well and safe at home. Today we are going to learn lesson 3. The topic is Andheri Nagari. Do you know the meaning of this Andheri Nagari? Andheri means dark, Nagari means city. Andheri Nagari. This is a funny drama. First, I am not going to say the story because you won't look the book. You should look the book. You take the book page number 10. Look there. First, given some characters of this drama. Look here. Patra Parichaya means introduction of characters. Introduction of characters. Here, Mahant, Guru. One of the character, Mahant, Guru is the main character. Narayan Das and Govardhan Das, his disciples. Narayan Das, Govardhan Das, his disciples. Who's the Mahant's disciples were Narayan Das and Govardhan Das. Shishya. One of the question is there. Mahant ke Shishya kon the? Who was the who were Mahant's disciples? Narayan Das and Govardhan Das. Next, some characters are there. Kunjadin means vegetable seller or vendor. Halwai, one who is selling halwa. Next, Raja, king. Faryadi means complaint, one who is giving complainter. Hallu Bania means businessman. Garigar means daily wager. Chunewala means the whitewash, one who is whitewashing. Painter also can say whitewasher or painter. Bisti. Bisti means this one, one who is making leather bag. Next, Kasai means butcher. Gaderia shepherd. Kotwal means inspector, police inspector. Sipai, soldier. These all the characters in this drama. Andher Nagari, what I said? Andher Nagari means dark city. Andher Nagari means dark city. So we know the topic. There is who ruled this Andher Nagari? The king. His name is Anbuj Raja. Anbuj Raja means unknown king. The Andher Nagari, the city name is dark city. The king name is Anbuj Raja. So how the story will be, we can know through this topic itself. So now listen the drama how it is going on. I'll look the book page number 10 and look here. Next you look down. Stan, the place is Shagar se Bahar Sadak, outside of the city. The place is outside of the city. You can look here the Guru and his disciples. They were talking. Mahant, first the Guru is talking to his disciples. बच्चा नारायण दास यह नहर तो दूर से बड़ा सुंदर दिखाई पड़ता है. देख कुछ भिक्षा मिले तो भगवान को भोग लें. This Narayan Das and Guru, this one, these disciples were coming to in that city, which is a dark city. They are looking from outside. The city is looking beautiful. At once the Guru is telling to the children, the disciples, it is looking from here, it is beautiful. So if we are getting something good things, we can keep for God. Okay, like that he said his disciples. नारायण दास, गुरुजी महाराज नहर तो बहुत ही सुंदर है. At once he said the city is looking very beautiful, पर भिक्षा भी सुंदर मिले तो बड़ा आनंद है. So it is looking beautiful. If we get good things, we will be happy, like the disciple said. Next, Magan that one said, Mahan, बच्चा गोवर्धन दास, तू पश्चिम की ओर जाओ. You go west side. West, पश्चिम means west. You go that side and Govardhan Das jata hai. So now he is going the west side. Who? Govardhan Das going. बाजार में गोवर्धन दास एक साग सब्जी की दुकान के सामने खड़ा है. There now he was going and he was standing in front of the vegetable shop. Who was standing in front of vegetable shop? Govardhan Das is going. Govardhan Das was going in front of a vegetable shop. Now look here. Mahan, बच्चा गोवर्धन दास तो पश्चिम की ओर जाओ. What's mean पश्चिम की ओर? West side you go. Who said? Magan said to Govardhan Das. Govardhan Das जाता है. जाता means Govardhan Das goes. He's अवन पोहिरान. Govardhan Das जाता है. बाजार में गोवर्धन दास एक साग सब्जी की दुकान के सामने खड़ा है. In the market, Govardhan Das एक साग सब्जी vegetable in front of the vegetable. के सामने means in front. दुकान shop in front of the vegetable. खड़ा means stood. He was standing in front of a vegetable shop. Who was standing in front of vegetable shop? Govardhan Das was standing in front of the vegetable shop. Govardhan Das, he is asking to the vegetable seller. Kunjadin से, Kunjadin means vegetable seller. Kunjadin से क्यों बाजी क्या भाव हैं? What is the cost of vegetable? Who asked to whom? The Govardhan Das asked to the vegetable seller or vegetable vendor. Vegetable seller, he asked the rate. Kunjadin is first ka will come Kunjadin. Babaji Takesir. Babaji means respective word. Takesir, 2 pies. So in that market, whatever they are getting, 2 pies. Okay, Kunjadin, what he said? Takesir. Next, look here, Govardhan Das. Sab bhaji takesir. He was surprised. Sab bhaji, all vegetables takesir, 2 pies. Wow, बड़ा आनंद है. Very happy. यहाँ सभी चीज़ें takesir, all the things 2 pies. हलवाई के पास जाकर he is going to the halwa shopkeeper. क्यों भाई हलवाई मिठाई क्या भाव? He asked him, what's the cost of halwa and sweet? What's the cost of halwa and sweet? Halwa, he said, takesir. What he said? 2 pies. Govardhan Das, wow, wow. बड़ा आनंद है. Very happy. सब takesir, all 2 pies. क्यों बचा? इस नगरी का क्या नाम क्या है? He asked, what is the rate of, what's the name of this city? Then the Govardhan Das was very happy because everything, vegetables, the sweets, even whatever may be, everything 1 kg 2 pies. So, halwai, Andher Nagari. The shopkeeper said, Andheri Nagari. Govardhan Das then asked, our Raja ka naam kya hai? What is the name of king? The shopkeeper said, halwa shopkeeper said, Anbuj Raja means unknown king, the uneducated king. Govardhan Das, wow, wow. He is singing like a song this, Andher Nagari Anbuj Raja, Takesir Baji, Takesir Gaja. Or many of this, Andher Nagari means dog city, Anbuj Raja, unknown king, Takesir Baji means, what's similar Takesir Baji? 2 pies every vegetables, 2 pies every sweets. Gaja means sweets or other eatable things. Everything 2 pies. हलवाई शॉपकीपर, तो बाबा जी कुछ लेना हो ले लें. और इफ यू लाइक टू टेक समथिंग यू गेट. गोवर्धन दास, बच्चा भिक्षा मांग कर 7 पैसे लाया हूँ. आई बेग एंड गॉट 7 pies. 3.5 सेर मिठाई दे दें. 3 kg मिठाई गिव मी. So Mahanji, he was buying this. He has given 7 pies and he has given 7 pies and he got 3.5 kg sweets. Now look here, मगंद जी और नारायण दास एक ओर से आते हैं और दूसरी ओर गोवर्धन दास आता है. मगंद और नारायण दास एक ओर से आते हैं और दूसरी ओर गोवर्धन दास आते हैं. The other side who is coming? नारायण दास and Guru is coming. Now look here, बच्चा गोवर्धन दास क्या भिक्षा लाया? मगंद asked to them, गोवर्धन दास, बच्चा क्या भिक्षा ला? What you brought? गटरी तो भारी मालूम पड़ता है. Your bag is looking weight. गोवर्धन दास replied. गुरुजी महाराज 7 पैसे बीच में मिले थे. What he said? 7 पैसे, 7 pies I got. उसी से 3.5 सेर मिठाई मोल ली है. I bought 3.5 kg sweets. I got 7 pies. I got 3.5 kg sweets. महंत said, बच्चा नारायण दास ने मुझे कहा था कि यहाँ सब चीज़ें टकेसेर मिलती हैं, तो मैंने इसकी बात का विश्वास नहीं किया. In that time, what he said was Narayan Das already, he said him, here whatever things we are getting, it is 1 kg 2 pies. So I did not believe this. इज इट ट्रू, ही आस्क्ड हिम एट वंस व्हाट इज रिप्लाई सी। तो मैंने इसकी बात विश्वास नहीं किया, बच्चा ये कौन सी नहरी है, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ सिटी, और इनका कौन सा राजा, हु इज द किंग ऑफ दिस सिटी। जहाँ टक्के शेर बाजी टक्के शेर काजा मिलता है, वेजिटेबल आल्सो 2 पैस and eatable things also 2 पैस। गोवर्धन दास रिप्लाई, अंधेरी नगरी अनबुज राजा टक्के शेर बाजी टक्के शेर काजा। What is the meaning of this? Do you know the meaning? अंधेर नगरी dark city, अनबुज राजा unknown king, टक्के शेर बाजी means 2 पैस vegetable, 2 पैस eatables. Okay, everything 2 पैस like that, like he was singing. Next महंत, तो बच्चा ऐसी नहरी में रहना उचित नहीं। ही एट वंस सेड, लाइक दिस सिटी वी शुड नॉट लिव, इट इज़ नॉट गुड टू लिव हियर। मैं तो इस नगर में अब एक क्षण भी नहीं रहूँगा। आई वोंट लिव हियर इवन ए सिंगल मिनट इन दिस सिटी। गोवर्धन दास, गुरुजी मैं तो इस नगर को छोड़कर नहीं जाऊँगा। व्हाट इज सेड, आई वोंट लिव दिस सिटी, आई वोंट कम फ्रॉम दिस सिटी। और जगह दिन भर मांगो तो भी पेट नहीं भरता। सो इन अनदर सिटी और अनदर प्लेस in the whole day if we roam also we cannot fill our stomach. So I won't come here because 2 pies he can get 1 kg. So he like to live there. He replied to Guru like that. Next listen here. Magand again saying, देख मेरी बात मान, नहीं तो पीछे पछताएगा। Now the Guru is not willing to stay because the king also don't know anything, uneducated. The city also dark city. The thing is, everything is 1 kg 2 pies, even gold or anything, everything the same rate. So it is dangerous to live. He come to know this is not good to live. Nothing is not good here. So he told the disciple, we no need to live here. But Narayan Das accepted, but this Govardhan Das not accepted that. He like to be there. He like to eat more sweets. So he was staying there and eating the sweets. So after what will happen, we can see here. Okay. Now look here. Mahan, देख मेरी बात. He said, you will accept my words. नहीं तो पीछे पछताएगा. After you will feel pity. मैं तो जाता हूँ. I am going. पर इतने कहे जाता हूँ कि कभी संकट पड़े तो याद करना. He said, I am going, but you are in any difficulties, remember me. When you are getting difficult, you remember me. This word he said and went. Then next scene, the first scene over, the next scene is there. Raja, the king, Mantri minister and Naukar servant, and they were sitting on the stage. पर्दे के पीछे, back of the screen, there was a sound. दुहाई है का शब्द होता है. The sound is coming. What is sound? See, look. राजा, कौन चिल्लाता है, उसे बुलाओ तो. So someone is shouting from there. So the king said the Naukar servant, कौन चिल्लाता, who is shouting, उसे बुलाओ तो, you call him. 2 नौकर एक फरियादी को लाते हैं. 2 servants were bringing one complainter, one who was bringing the complaint, that person they brought. फरियादी, the complainter, what he is telling. महाराज, कल्लू बनिए की दीवार गिर पड़ी. What is it? The Kallu businessman's दीवार गिर पड़ी. दीवार means wall fell down. So मेरी बकरी उसके नीचे दब गई, न्याय हो. He said, my goat died. The wall fell on my goat and my goat died. I need judgment. Okay. So राजा, कल्लू बनिए को पकड़ लाओ. At once what he said, you bring the कल्लू बनिए, you bring the who that businessman. नौकर लोग दौड़कर बागर से बनियों को पकड़ लाते हैं. The नौकर servants ran outside. बाहर से means outside. बनिए को पकड़ लाते हैं. They brought the businessman. Next राजा, क्यों रे बनिए, इसकी बकरी क्यों दबकर मर गई. He asked him, the king is asking him. Or he is asking why his goat died. While asking this question, to come to know he uneducated, he don't know anything, unknown person. Okay. So Maharaj, at once he said, the Kallu said, Maharaj, मेरा कुछ दोष नहीं. I have no mistake. This is not my mistake. He told Maharaj, मेरा कुछ दोष नहीं. It's not my mistake. कारीगर ने ऐसी दीवार बनाई कि गिर पड़ी. He said, he blamed on. Each one is blaming each other. So here कारीगर, the daily wages, कारीगर ने ऐसी दीवार बनाई. What the Kallu, the businessman said. One who is the owner of the wall, he said, this is not my mistake. The daily wages has done my wall like this, so it fell down. This is not my mistake, this is his mistake, he said. At once the kings, Raja king, क्यों रे कारीगर इसकी बकरी कैसे मर गई? At once what they are doing, they left the Kallu, the businessman, and they brought the daily wager. So he is asking the daily wager, क्यों रे कारीगर, daily wager means कूली तोड़ेलाड़ी. Okay, कारीगर इसकी बकरी कैसे मर गई? He is asking the daily wager how his goat died. The कारीगर, he is telling. If we are asking like this, everybody will blame on others only. So the king is asking again. कारीगर, the कारीगर is telling Maharaj, चूने वाले ने चूना ऐसा करा बनाया कि दीवार गिर पड़ी. What he said, he was blaming on the painter, whitewash, one who done whitewash on the wall. So चूने वाले ने चूना ऐसा करा बनाया कि दीवार गिर पड़ी. The चूना means चूना, that he made it bad, so it fell down. So it was his mistake like that. Who said? The daily wager said. At once Raja what said? अच्छा उस चूने वाले को बुलाओ. He said, you call that painter or the whitewashed, one who was whitewashed, call him. The कारीगर निकला जाता है. Then the to whom he left, the daily wager he left, and he told to call the painter. छूने वाला पकड़ लाया जाता. They brought the छूने वाला, the painter. राजा, क्यों रे छूने वाला इसकी बकरी कैसे मर गई? Then he is asking why the painter, his goat died. The छूने वाला, the who was छूने वाला, the painter said, Maharaj, बिस्ती ने चूने में पानी ज़्यादा डाल दिया, इसी से चूना कमज़ोर हो गया. What he said? He said, this is not my mistake. Bisti, one who is making leather bag. So what he did, Bisti ne, the water can butcher, he was pour more water in the chune, in the powder, in the white powder. He pour more water, so it become weak. The wall become weak, so it fell down. Did you understand it? What is still? Each one is blaming each other. So he is blaming the one. He is pour water. So he is telling he pour more water. So it become, the wall become weak, kamzor, weak. So it fall down. Next Raja at once he bisti ko pakado. Then he said, you leave him and this painter, you leave painter and bisti, one who is brought this butcher, water can butcher, you bring him. He brought bisti ko pakado. Bisti लाया गया. Now the bisti brought, the water can butcher brought here. Then Raja, क्यों रे बिस्ती इतना पानी क्यों डाल दिया कि दीवार गिर पड़ी और बकरी दब गई? He is asking him, why did you pour more water in the दीवार wall fell down and the goat died? Bisti. Then he is telling Maharaj, the Bisti water can butcher is telling Maharaj, गुलाम का कोई कसूर नहीं. गुलाम means this slave का कोई no mistake for this slave. कसूर means mistake नहीं. कसाई ने, what he said, महाराज गुलाम का कोई कसूर नहीं. There is no my mistake. कसाई ने मशक इतनी बड़ी बना दी थी. मशक means this bag, leather bag. मशक word से मैंने leather bag इतनी बड़ी बना दी थी. He was made it big. उसी में पानी ज़्यादा आ गया. When I was taking water, there was more water. So that is not my mistake. What he said? The Bisti said, the water can butcher said, when he was made the leather bag, it was big. So there was more water, so it become like this. This is not mistake, his mistake said. The king at once what he said, अच्छा बिस्ती को निकालो, कसाई को लाओ. So who will give that? Then he said, you leave him and bring the butcher. Butcher, you know, this one who is cutting this one, this meat seller, isn't it? A goat and a cow. that leather only, that skin only, they are with that skin only they have made this bag. Okay, so that water butcher, so that water can butcher. So he told to call that person. So log bisti ko nikalte hain. Then they left him and brought the kasai, the butcher. Then Raja, the king, is asking him, क्यों रे कसाई तूने ऐसी मशक क्यों बनाई? He asked him, why did you make like this bag or water can? Why do you make like this? The Kasai said, the butcher said, Maharaj, गडरिये ने टके की एक बड़ी भेड़ मेरे हाथ बेची थी, मशक बड़ी बन गई. What is the reason? His reason, Maharaj, गडरिये, what's mean गडरिये? Shepherd. गडरिये ने टक्के की ऐसी बड़ी भेड़ मेरे हाथ बेची. For the टक्के से what is mean टक्के से for 2 pies. टक्के 2 pies. He has given a big sheep. भेड़ means sheep. He has sold in my hand. Masak badi bandi. So I got the big leather. So bag also become like. This is not my mistake. This is the bisti, that Kasai. Kasai is not the one who made this masak, no? Is his mistake. Like that he said. Maharaj, gadari ne take ki gadari. He blamed on shepherd. The butcher, the bisti, one who has made this one, who has this bag, he said about the Kasai, butcher, because of butcher given big leather, so I made the big bag. So it is the mistake on butcher. The butcher, what he said, I got in 2 pies, one big goat. So from that I got the big leather. So this is not my mistake. This is the mistake of Gadariye. So like this it is going on. They are blaming each other. So next class we can see how it is ending. Then the king is whom of them blaming, and finally what will happen we can learn in the next class. Today I am going to give again this meanings. You have to study something now, so I am going to give meanings. Look here, only 10 meanings I am giving. You should write in your booklet and you have to study this. This is your study portion. Okay. Now look here. शब्दार्थ अंग्रेजी में अर्थ लिखिए. Okay, you have to write there in your note. अंग्रेजी में अर्थ लिखिए. You must study this one. Okay. चेले, what's mean चेले? Disciples. चेले disciples are शिष्य disciples. Another one Hindi word is there. शिष्य disciples. Next, kunjadin means vegetable vendor or vegetable seller. Kunjadin. Next, gatari, you can write this a bag or a small bundle. Gatari, a bag enough. Sangat means misfortune or risk or sad or difficulty, anything can write. Sangat, misfortune, right. Taka means 2 pies. Taka, 2 pies. Those means mistake. Those, mistake. Bisti means water can butcher. Bisti, water can butcher. Next, kazur, mistake. Kazur, these 3 words I left, only 10 words are there. Kasur, mistake. Kazur, mistake. Next, fancy, enus. Fancy, enus. Aparad, crime. Once more look here. Aparad, words mean aparad, crime. Fancy, enus. Hazur, mistake. Bisti, water can butcher. Those, mistake. Taka, 2 pies. Sangat, misfortune. Gatari, a bag. Gunjadin, vegetable vendor. Chele, disciples. Children, study well this. You all have to by heart these meanings, and you should complete in your note. We can meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.